Good morning and happy Thursday. Today's date is May 28th, 2020. Here is our meme of the day. Our daily tasks. Please make sure you're watching or reading the daily message every day. Please make sure you're completing all of your assignments and turning them in. That can be on Teams, through text or email. And also please make sure you're checking in with me twice a week. It's Thursday, so if you're in my homeroom, that check-in schedule has restarted. Please check in with me either today or tomorrow so you can be marked present for Thursday and Friday. Today we're starting our work on lesson 12.3, which is experimental probability of compound events. Now, compound events means that more than one thing is happening at a time. That could be I flipped a coin and spun a spinner. That could be I rolled a dice and flipped a coin. Some other ways to think of this are we're looking at tables that have two variables. So maybe we're comparing different necklaces, and there's two types of metal, silver and gold, and the necklaces come in different lengths, 12 inches, 16 inches, and 20 inches. We're comparing two different variables, so since we're comparing two different variables, that would be a compound event. After you watch the daily video, please complete the lesson 12.3 warm-up, and once you finish that warm-up, please watch the lesson 12.3 videos. They will be linked below. If you go to watch the videos and they don't work, just let me know, and I will make sure to fix that. I've found that that was a problem once or twice in the past, and when you've let me know, I fixed it. After you're done watching those videos, go ahead and start working on the lesson 12.3 independent practice. If you have any questions about how to do any of those problems once you get started, I will be available online to help you from 9 to 11 and 1 to 2. Thank you so much. Have a great day.